Changing your payout method on Sofort is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your payment preferences. Step 1. Log into your Sofort account. Access the Sofort website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payout methods. In the account settings, find the option labeled Payout Methods or Payment Preferences. Click on it to view your current payout options. Step 4. Choose a new payout method. Review the available payout methods and select the one you wish to change to. Follow the prompts to enter any required information for the new method. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering the necessary details, review your changes and confirm the update. You may receive a confirmation email or a notification once the change is successful. Make sure to check your account periodically to ensure your new payout method is functioning correctly.